Hi everybody, and welcome to Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. I am here today to wash out these crates. I am going to use these crates for a DIY project on my van life channel, which is Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. And I was going to take them to the car wash and wash them, but I've been home all weekend and I was like, why not just wash them in my bathtub? That way it won't cost me anything. And y'all know I'm all about conserving and saving money. So I did find these crates, and yeah, I found some more crates too, y'all, in a ditch. I passed by a ditch one day and it had a whole bunch of crates, and I just picked them up. So I am going to upcycle these crates, and this is going to be the base of my bed in van life, a temporary base for my bed in van life. So if you're looking for a temporary bed solution, let me go ahead and show you, and we're going to begin with cleaning the crates. Okay. So guys, I'm just going to run some water in the bathtub. I'm going to put the Ajax and just put in the water along with some dishwashing liquid. I'm also going to put some vinegar in here because vinegar is a disinfectant. And feel some solvent in here. I'm going to rinse out my bottle and make sure I get all the dishwashing liquid out of it. So you guys, I don't have my tripod with me, so I'm just taking little snapshots and showing you what I'm going to do. So I have a sponge, and I'm just going to do 3 of these at a time. Turn it around in the water. And you can turn it over on each side. Just flip it and turn it over. That could be like your first step. And as you're doing that, you can go through each hole. And then you can go from the top on each side. If you have a brush too, take the bottom, wipe the bottom. I had these in my storage, so they were very dusty. If you have a towel, you can stick it through each hole. Just however clean you need to get them, depending on how dirty they are. You might need to do I'm just going to do this to each one of them. Okay, you guys, so I washed off all of the crates, and this is how my water look. It's very dirty. Y'all can see how dirty it is. So I'm about to let this water out completely run some more water, and I'm going to rinse each one of them off and go over them again with my sponge and see how much more dirt I get off of them with some clean water. Again, I did find these crates on the side of the road in a ditch. I got a lot of crates. It had a ditch full of crates, y'all, all different sizes. So I would suggest that you upcycle anything that you could find that is recyclable. So I'm going to use these for my bed. This could be a permanent bed situation or a temporary bed situation for van life. So let's let this water out. Yeah, I wanted to show y'all how dirty that water was. I don't know if y'all could see all that dirt in the bottom of the tub. Oh my goodness. So definitely, if you're going to reuse crates, definitely make sure you wash them. If you could take them to the car wash and power wash them, I think it'll be good. And also put them in the bathtub so you can scrub them, because look at all that dirt, and it's all the way down up in there, but I have the crates on top of it. But that is a lot of dirt, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. So now what I'm going to do is rinse the tub out, and while I'm rinsing the tub out, I'm going to be rinsing the crates off too, and then I'm going to draw some more water, just plain water with nothing else in it. I might put vinegar in it, and that's it. Yeah, I just moved that crate. I just want to show you how much dirt. Look at the dirt. Oh Lord, that is a lot of dirt. Oh my goodness, I'm scared. I'm so happy I washed my crates. Even after rinsing the bathtub out several times, look at all that dirt. Oh my goodness. These crates were filthy. Not dirty, filthy. Okay, you guys, so we rinsed the tub out completely. I had to pick the crates up kind of out of the tub in order to get all of that dirt out of there. And so now we're going to draw some fresh water and see if we can get some more dirt off of these crates. I'm not going to put any soap in the water. I just want to see how clean did I get them and how dirty they still are. And if I see a lot of dirt after rinsing them with just plain water, then I might decide to do again with a soap bath. So let's draw some water. And I am going to put some vinegar in the water. Just because it's a disinfectant. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I just got through rinsing all the crates off in this water. This is how the water is looking after rinsing it off. It did get a little extra dirt and debris. I feel like I can get some more dirt off of them if I rinse them off with the sponge. As I'm rinsing them off, just wipe them off with the sponge again. So I am going to do that again in this very same water. Just go over them with the sponge one last time as I'm rinsing them off. And we'll come back and see how the water looks. So that's going to be my conclusion after that of washing the crates before you use them for whatever you're going to use them for. I suggest you do that if you're going to recycle crates for whatever purpose. Okie dokie, Smokey. Okay, you guys, I am finished rinsing the crates off with a sponge. I did get more dirt off of them. Show you back there. I did get more dirt off of them, so yes, you do need to rinse them off a couple of times, because even when you think they're clean, they still have a little dirt on them. So, because there's a lot of cracks and crevices inside of these crates. So even after doing this, if you can take them to a car wash and power wash them, that will still be good, especially if you're going to use these for any food storage or anything like that, your clothes storage. You just want to make sure they're very clean before you start using them to store stuff in, especially for van life. So I'm going to let this water out, and that's going to be it for this process. The next time you see these crates, they will be used. I will show you how to do I'm going to call it an instant bed for van life. An instant bed for van life. So let's let the water out. And again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Leave lots of comments down below. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. And be sure to come back for another video to see more DIY projects with Vanessa, my life, my journey. Don't forget to recycle, reuse, and just, be creative. Why not? Bye now.